Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hell Let Loose. First, let's cover the basics. Hell Let Loose is a World War II tactical shooter emphasizing realism and teamwork. You'll join one of two factions, the Allies or the Axis, and engage in large-scale battles with up to 50 players per side. Success hinges on communication and understanding your role within your squad and the broader team. It's a challenging but rewarding experience. Next, let's dive into roles and squad dynamics. Every squad has a squad leader, who is vital for placing outposts and communicating with the commander. Other roles include riflemen, medics, engineers, and support. Support players are crucial for supplying resources to build garrisons, which are key spawn points. Effective communication, often through proximity chat and squad radio, is absolutely essential for coordinating attacks and defenses. Now, let's talk about objectives and strategy. The main goal is to capture and hold sectors on the map, pushing the front line towards the enemy's main base. Building garrisons and outposts is paramount. These are your team's spawn points, allowing quick redeployment. Resource nodes, built by engineers, generate supplies like fuel, munitions, and manpower, which are vital for calling in artillery, tanks, and air support. Strategic placement is key. Finally, here are some combat and movement tips. Always use cover and concealment. Running in the open is a quick way to get eliminated. Suppressive fire is effective for pinning down enemies, allowing your teammates to advance. Pay close attention to your map for enemy markers, friendly positions, and objective statuses. Moving slowly and deliberately, checking corners, and listening for footsteps will significantly improve your survivability and contribution to the team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.